Welcome to Best Sellers Market, your go-to destination for uncovering the finest products that make life easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're diving deep into the world of lawn care, exploring a carefully curated countdown of the best sellers in lawn mowers and tractors on Amazon. As we navigate through this list, you'll discover innovative designs, powerful features, and user-friendly options that can transform your outdoor maintenance routine. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a weekend warrior looking to spruce up your yard, there's something here for everyone. Without further ado, let's go! At number 5, we present the impressive Ticetown 16-inch 15.5 amp 2-in-1 electric debt hatcher and scarifier. This exceptional lawn care tool is engineered for those who desire a thriving, healthy lawn with minimal effort. Imagine effortlessly adjusting the working depth with a simple flick of the 5-position control lever. Whether you're scarifying from a depth of 0.47 inches to 0.24 inches or debt hatching from 0.32 inches to 0.39 inches, this machine caters to your lawn's unique needs across all seasons. Plus, the 3-position adjustable rod accommodates users of varying heights, ensuring everyone can achieve the best results. But that's just the beginning. With its innovative 2-in-1 quick-release blade design, transitioning between debt hatching and scarifying is a breeze. While the scarifier works to loosen the soil for enhanced root growth, the debt hatcher clears away thatch, allowing your grass to flourish. This versatile functionality makes lawn maintenance not only efficient but also enjoyable. Weighing in at a mere 30 pounds, the Ticetown debt hatcher is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its foldable handle allows for compact storage, perfect for homeowners with limited space. And forget about complicated setups, the tool-free design means you can get started in no time. Power is paramount, and this debt hatcher delivers with a robust 15.5 amp motor, achieving speeds of up to 3,600 RPM and boasting a wide 16-inch rake path. This powerhouse configuration accelerates both debt hatching and scarifying, dramatically enhancing efficiency and saving you precious time on yard work. But we didn't stop there. The Ticetown debt hatcher also includes a waterproof plug for safety, a handy cord clip for neat organization, and an extension cord holder to keep things tangle-free. With durable, wear-resistant wheels, smooth movement is guaranteed, while the generous 14.5-gallon removable collection bag reduces the need for constant emptying, making your lawn care routine even more streamlined. Keep in mind, this remarkable tool is not a lawnmower but a specialized instrument designed to revitalize your lawn by removing debris and dead grass. Shop confidently, knowing our dedicated 24/7 after-sales support is available to answer any questions and ensure your satisfaction. Embrace the opportunity to elevate your lawn care experience with the Ticetown 2-in-1 electric debt hatcher and scarifier. At number 4, we introduce the remarkable Agri-Fab 450218 26-inch push-behind lawn sweeper, a game-changer for lawn maintenance enthusiasts. Crafted right here in the USA, this sweeper is designed to make your lawn care routine not only efficient but also enjoyable. With a sweeping width of 26 inches, it covers substantial ground with each pass, ensuring that no leaf or grass clipping goes unnoticed. The adjustable brush height allows you to set the brushes to penetrate the grass to a depth of half an inch, ensuring optimal pickup regardless of your lawn's condition. This adaptability is key to achieving a pristine yard, effortlessly collecting debris while promoting a healthier lawn. Its spacious 7 cubic foot hopper bag capacity means fewer trips to the compost pile, allowing you to focus on what really matters, enjoying your outdoor space. Imagine gliding over your lawn with ease, powered by durable yet lightweight poly construction that makes maneuvering a breeze. Equipped with 9.75-inch by 2.25-inch plastic wheels, this sweeper ensures smooth operation over various terrains, whether you're tackling thick grass or navigating uneven ground. It's designed to lift and gather lawn clippings and leaves with incredible ease, transforming a tedious chore into a quick and satisfying task. For those looking to enhance their lawn care game, the Agri-Fab 450218 is not just a tool, it's your partner in achieving a lush, debris-free lawn. And if you're eager to learn more about its operation and maintenance, there's an informative video available to guide you. Elevate your lawn care experience with this essential lawn sweeper that combines practicality, efficiency, and ease of use. At number 3, we present the American Lawn Mower Company 1204 14-inch 4-blade Push Reel Lawn Mower, a charming and efficient solution for maintaining small lawns. With its vibrant red design and expertly engineered features, this mower stands out as a top choice for eco-conscious homeowners. Weighing in at a mere 19 pounds, this lightweight powerhouse is equipped with a 14-inch cutting width and durable 8.5-inch polymer wheels, offering maximum maneuverability. Maneuvering around tight spots or flower beds becomes a breeze, making lawn care a delightful experience rather than a chore. The adjustable blade height, ranging from half an inch to 1.75 inches, allows you to customize your mowing experience based on your lawn's unique needs. This reel mower is perfectly capable of cutting grass up to 4 inches tall, delivering a precise and clean cut without bruising the blades of grass. For the best results, remember the golden rule: mow no more than 1/3 of the grass blade at a time. This technique not only promotes healthier grass but also preserves the roots, ensuring your lawn thrives. But this mower isn't just about functionality, it's also a responsible choice for the environment. With no pollution, no noise, and minimal maintenance, you can enjoy the serenity of mowing your lawn without disturbing the peace. This manual grass cutter is an excellent alternative to gas-powered mowers, merging efficiency with eco-friendliness. For those tackling a taller lawn, be strategic, overlap your passes when mowing to maintain that optimal height, and don't forget to wait until the grass is dry for the best results. With the American Lawn Mower Company 120414, you're not just mowing, you're nurturing your outdoor space with a tool that embodies convenience, care, and environmental responsibility. Elevate your lawn care routine today with this deluxe hand reel mower. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best sellers in lawn mowers tractors on Amazon? If you're ready to take your lawn care to the next level, don't leave without liking, subscribing, and pressing that bell icon so you never miss a cutting-edge update. At number 2, we unveil the Agri-Fab 45049 244-inch tow-behind lawn sweeper, a formidable ally in your quest for a pristine yard. Proudly made in the USA, this sweeper combines innovative design with exceptional functionality, making it an indispensable tool for homeowners looking to elevate their lawn care game. Imagine effortlessly collecting leaves and grass clippings with a generous 25 cubic foot hopper bag capacity. The Agri-Fab sweeper boasts dimensions of 78 inches long, 55 inches wide, and 52 inches high, providing an expansive sweep that ensures no debris is left behind. The semi-pneumatic wheels, measuring 12 inches by 3 inches, are engineered for smooth operation, allowing you to navigate your lawn with ease. Equipped with a height adjustment lever, this sweeper allows you to set the brushes to penetrate the grass to a precise depth of half an inch. The easy-to-use indicator ensures optimal performance every time you mow, while the 5.6:1 brush-to-wheel ratio guarantees effective grass and leaf collection, transforming the mundane into the magnificent. One of the standout features is the improved dump lever, allowing you to empty the hopper without leaving the comfort of your tractor seat. This thoughtful design maximizes efficiency, letting you maintain your focus on the task at hand. And when it's time to store it away, the entire sweeper conveniently folds up without the need for tools, saving precious storage space in your garage or shed. With the Agri-Fab 44-inch tow-behind lawn sweeper, lawn maintenance becomes less of a chore and more of an enjoyable outdoor experience. Embrace the power of innovation and make lawn care a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your beautiful outdoor space. Claiming the top spot in our countdown is the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Corded Lawn Mower, String Trimmer, and Edger Model Best of 512 cm. This ingenious machine seamlessly combines 3 essential lawn care tools into one compact powerhouse, redefining the way you maintain your yard. Weighing in at a mere 9.9 pounds, this electric lawn mower is designed with both agility and comfort in mind. Its adjustable handle and multiple height positions ensure a tailored fit, granting you exceptional control as you maneuver through your outdoor space. Say goodbye to cumbersome equipment and hello to effortless gardening. Equipped with an automatic feed spool, this mower allows you to feed more cable without the hassle of stopping or bumping. It's a feature that speaks to efficiency, ensuring that your trimming experience is as smooth as possible, enabling you to focus on achieving that pristine look. Perfectly suited for smaller yards, the BLACK+DECKER mower features a 12-inch cutting width, making it nimble and precise. With a cutting height that adjusts up to 1.6 inches, this machine operates at an impressive 8,000 RPM, slicing through grass with remarkable ease and speed. Experience the freedom of unlimited runtime with gasless corded power. This mower's built-in cord retention system keeps your extension cord securely in place, preventing accidental disconnections as you work. However, please note that an extension cord is not included. The BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Corded Lawn Mower isn't just a tool, it's a solution that combines functionality, comfort, and innovation to transform the way you care for your lawn. Step into the future of yard maintenance with this versatile powerhouse, and discover how easy it is to keep your outdoor spaces looking their best. We hope you loved our countdown of the top lawn mowers tractors on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the amazing products we covered today. Until next time, thank you for watching, and see you soon.